Switch it up. Yes, another Nintendo Switch accessory unboxing. Nintendo Switch is one of the best gaming handheld console of all time. So this is the Nintendo Switch Breath of the Wild earbud. I mean, the pouch look quite big. Do it worth the $20 price point? Let's find out. I'm a big fan of Zelda. Zelda. So yeah, jump to the unboxing table. So here it is. I'm really very much excited. So let me show you from the back. Premium premium Zelda earbuds. The first thing which I noticed is the case is quite big. You see the case is as a size of my plum. So now let me open with my Swiss Caesar. I'm really very much excited. I'm a big fan of the Legend of the Zelda series, especially Link. This is the new one. I'm a third party license. Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Okay, let me see how I can open maybe something like this. I'm gonna cut the link. Link. If you die, then who is gonna save the Zelda? Isn't it? Please don't die. Oh shit! I cut the link face. I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry. I think I did a very big sin. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry. I'm extremely sorry. Okay, here we go. Again, this is not the frustration-free packaging. No, I'm cutting the Zelda. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Come on. The Swiss. I think I need to buy a new knife. This is absolutely small. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's open. What the F is this? Huh? I mean, I still can't open it as you can see. I mean, what is this? Literally, what is this? Okay, I don't understand. Let me just slice it off. I just waste my energy for nothing. Yeah, I mean, okay. I don't like this kind of packaging. I really hate this kind of packaging with the bottom of my heart. Okay, let me cut a little bit more from inside. I don't wanna cut the headphone case. It's really literally hard to open. It's not that easy. Okay, finally it's out, and let me take out the headphone also. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay, finally. Here we go. Well, let me show you the headphone. As you can see, I mean, this is beautiful looking headphone. It's like an angle, I mean angle shape. Okay, here we go. I mean, isn't that beautiful? You need to be the judge. Isn't that beautiful? To me, it's look beautiful. Now, let me show you this one. The case, the carrying case. Okay. Wow. I mean, the case is good. The case make me happy. Firstly, there's the Breath of the Wild. Okay. Now, how to put the headphone? I think something like this we do. Maybe. Okay. How I can put the headphone? Maybe something like this. Okay. And like this. Camera focus. Yeah, okay, now the camera is focusing. Okay, here we go. And then now what to do? Maybe something like this. Okay, yeah, something like this. Just wrap around. Yeah, something like this. Here we go. Go. And then we put the headphone here. Okay, it's like this. Yeah, I mean it's quite clean. And now let me put inside. Okay, now you get the idea. So now let me put on my ear, and then now let me show you. Jump back to me. So now you'll be thinking how good are the headphone. Let me plug it. Here we go. Let me plug in my ear. Yeah, and then let me check the quality. As you can see here, the headphone. Let me plug it and then into my laptop and play some music. It's quite good quality. It's quite good. The quality is quite good. It's quite good. I can easily recommend if you own a Nintendo Switch. This is a must buy. This is a must buy. When I'm telling you it's a must buy, then it's a must buy. It was me, Geek. Make sure to subscribe and bye. This is absolutely awesome. Then look, bye.